Why is it beneficial to drink dandelion flower tea for your health? Dandelion, often seen as an irritative weed, is actually a powerful herb with numerous health benefits. Dandelion flower tea, in particular, has gained popularity in recent years for its potential to boost overall well-being. According to recent statistics, the global herbal tea market, including dandelion tea, was valued at over $3.5 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow significantly as more people turn to natural remedies for health. So why is it beneficial to drink dandelion flower tea for your health? Let's explore the many reasons this tea is worth adding to your daily routine. Watch until the end for tips on how to make dandelion flower tea. The health benefits of dandelion flower tea. 1. Rich in nutrients. Dandelion flowers are a source of essential vitamins and minerals that support good health. Drinking dandelion flower tea provides your body with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are important for maintaining strong bones, healthy skin, and a robust immune system. The high antioxidant content in dandelion tea also helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. 2. Supports digestive health. One of the key benefits of dandelion flower tea is its ability to aid digestion. The tea acts as a gentle diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support healthy liver function. This detoxifying effect can relieve bloating and improve digestion, making it a great option for those who suffer from digestive issues. Additionally, dandelion tea stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients from food. 3. Promotes healthy skin. Dandelion flower tea can also benefit your skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of dandelion help protect the skin from damage and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Drinking this tea regularly may also help with conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, as it helps detoxify the liver and purify the blood, leading to clearer, healthier skin. 4. Supports weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds, dandelion flower tea might be a helpful addition to your weight loss plan. The tea's diuretic properties help reduce water retention, making you feel lighter and less bloated. Additionally, by supporting healthy digestion and metabolism, dandelion tea can aid in the more efficient processing of fats and sugars, which may help you manage your weight more effectively. 5. Boosts immune system. Drinking dandelion flower tea regularly can give your immune system a natural boost. The tea is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. By keeping your immune system in top shape, you're less likely to catch colds and other common ailments. How to make dandelion flower tea. Making dandelion flower tea is simple and can easily be done at home. Here's a quick guide. 1. Harvest fresh dandelion flowers. If you have access to a clean, pesticide-free area, you can pick fresh dandelion flowers. Make sure to wash them thoroughly before use. 2. Dry the flowers. Spread the flowers out on a tray and let them dry in a warm, dry place for a few days. You can also use a dehydrator if you have one. 3. Brew the tea. Add a handful of dried dandelion flowers to a teapot or cup. Pour boiling water over the flowers and let it steep for 5–10 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy. 4. Add flavor. Dandelion flower tea has a mild, slightly sweet flavor on its own, but you can add honey, lemon, or other herbs like mint or ginger to enhance the taste. Drinking dandelion flower tea offers a wide range of health benefits, from improving digestion and skin health to supporting weight loss and boosting the immune system. With its rich nutrient content and detoxifying properties, this herb can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Whether you're new to herbal teas or looking to expand your stock recipes, dandelion flower tea is a delicious and beneficial choice to incorporate into your daily routine. If you liked this video, kindly subscribe to the channel for more similar content.